Hindi, mic yan, kasi mic yan. Hindi natin makikita.
Sama si Mickey.
Birthday!
Happy birthday, boy!
Yeah, happy birthday, brother.
Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
So, now, paano yung galing ng ano mo ha? Ano yung hinahanap nyo kanina sa prod nyo?
Ginto.
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 Well, nahanap kasi birthday mo, ikaw ang ginto ngayon.
Ito yung ginto dapat, pasalamatan mo yung ginto dapat sa buhay.
Ayun, thank you first of all yung mga sumayaw kanina. I really appreciate it. Super Dance Crew, maraming
Oh,
salamat.
wala ka naman, Mickey.
Ayun, Mr. M, Miss Mariol, Star Magic, thank you for your trust. Sir Deo, Asa family, I really enjoy being here and performing here on stage with you guys. Really appreciate it.
Nakakaya.
Little Lauren and PBB family, Interactive family, maraming salamat. To the keepers and gym makers, thanks you for all your support. My family, my mom, my brother, and my tita and my tito are here from Switzerland. Thank you for coming. All my friends, maraming salamat. Limited edition, especially Ryan and Danny. Thank you for doing this choreography with me. Gian, thank you for all your support.
Yun ang Minnie Mouse mo, Mickey. Gian.
To all the sponsors, AS Cultura, maraming salamat. Tony and Guy, thank you. Especially kay Ai, thank you for my hair and makeup. Fresh look, maraming salamat. And to Goldship Planet Jupiter, maraming salamat. Thank you.
Yes! Of course, happy birthday, Mickey. All the blessing in the world
Mamaya,
for you.
Super Dance Crew, meron ka.
Mamaya.
Pero before nyan, up next we have Mad Performance ni Shadow G, All That and More with ASAP 09 returns.